C Clasp Precision Adjust. Now we can show you how to adjust the C clasp. Just click on whichever piece you want to manually adjust and hide the others. You can use this button to show and hide. Here is the lingual height, which is the distance from the wire surface to the gum. This is the lingual connection status. If we set it to lingual mesial overlap, the left and right C clasps will overlap. You can see here the C clasp extends further along the lingual side. If you choose none, it becomes very short. You can see here. You can also choose wave. And here you can adjust the wave height setting. So you can just move it directly, or you can press the V key to show the coordinate axes for more precise editing. Or you can also use the Q and E keys to move the selected point up and down. It's much faster. Press Ctrl and Z to undo the edit. Ctrl Z to cancel the changes. When you finish the edit, you can see a blue section. Just press T to automatically adjust it, and then click Editing is complete. This means it can be bent automatically.